In this video of Las Vegas 777 series, we're going to talk about Las Vegas Airport private hotel room for a night to stay over. It feels like you was to stay at a hotel. So because you always be able to subscribe to the channel, turkeys on, phone, pictures, temperature, as well. Excuse me. Yeah. But really all the things that I didn't notice there. Las Vegas Airport has a private hotel. There's a ground zero and also. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel, turkeys on, and bomb business turkeys as well. And let's go to it. So Las Vegas about it's pretty cool and awesome thing for the Viva Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas. People. Viva Las Vegas. Las Vegas. 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 So pretty cool. Lots of pretty cool. JK did this one on his channel like about back in April also. Pretty cool, awesome thing. You got a seat, cover, beds warmed up for you. So, God almighty, excuse me. No, it's a particular day's display. But guys, be honest with you, I like JKation because JKation is my music partner. JKation has the awesome content. JKation always stand alone. Yeah, he's JKation. Gotta keep on cracking. Come on in. Boom and all seven. Power. But yeah. And we're gonna see you guys in this third video and all stuff. Sky Turkish on and all stuff. Most of that big vacation. And then we're next time we go to Las Vegas, we'll take a red eye. No one will be like to be the Batman, to be the sad man behind blue eyes. No one ever is like to be the Peter. Las Vegas 77. And you want to see more content from me, even though it's a pretty scratchy, check out Norma Haley, Norma Gill, and also a pretty good girl. And speaking of which, I want to make that special announcement that I made a Pinterest board for Mr. Norma. I know it's pretty cool. No, it started off a little bit more pretty cool, awesome in particular as well. Well, guys, it's big subscribers to try to get cases and all stuff like that. Yeah, see my Las Vegas series, 7 series, or any video I missed. Make sure to subscribe to that my channel and Turkish on, or pretty cool and that. And words and me, see Charm in Las Vegas. Maybe one day I will go back there because I'm going back to Las Vegas because of Hershey's drink results. Pretty cool, awesome, pretty cool. Hey, check out my Las Vegas vlog from last year and all stuff. Check out that the Fox series as well. Stay awesome, be safe, subscribe to Turkish on. I'll see you guys. It's there we go. Take care. See ya. Peace. Yeah.